Toyota Probox. The Toyota Probox is a 5-door, 2- or 4-seater passenger car wagon, and light commercial van produced by Toyota since July 2002. It replaced the Corolla Sprinter van. The Probox serves as a slightly shorter version of the Toyota Succeed. Toyota launched the Probox in Japan in 2002, and introduced an updated version in 2014. It aims the model at the commercial light van market, rather than the general public. This becomes obvious when you look inside and see the very simple cabin. The instrument cluster amounts to a massive speedometer with a small digital display below it. The dashboard is even more basic. There is a phone holder next to the steering wheel, which is convenient for workers. There is absolutely no infotainment system. Even a stereo head unit is not standard. Although, this is not uncommon in Japan, where low-frills models like this leave it up to owners to select one to install after the vehicle's purchase. The HVAC controls are plain and easy to understand. There are 2 circular control panels for changing the temperature and fan settings. An orange display shows the selections. Currently, the Probox is available with a 1.3-liter 4-cylinder with 94 horsepower, a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder making 107 horsepower, and a hybrid-assisted 1.5-liter. All models use ACVT, and there is a choice of front or all-wheel drive system. The Toyota TRD offers a front splitter, clear lights, and different 14-inch wheel designs for the Probox. What do you think of this car? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.